Okay, so I am using up some home canned food today. I have got a jar of Zuppa Tuscana that we canned up a while back. Seriously. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to cook this in my Farberware instant pressure cooker. And I've opened my jar. Still smells as good as it did the day that I made it. And I have rice already in my pressure cooker. And now I am going to put my Zuppa Tuscana in there. Okay, so I have poured my jar of Zuppa Tuscana down in here. And then I'm just going to kind of mix everything up a little bit. Add some more onion powder. It smells absolutely delicious. I wish that we had smell-o-vision for you. So I'm going to start my pressure cooker. I'm going to turn the valve to shut. And I am going to cook this on the rice time. So I've put it on 3 and press start. And in 20 minutes we'll have soup and rice to go with it. And it's going to be yummy.